Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming licensing and exporting optimized files like WAF2 and WAF. This avoids delivery issues. Once ready, sign into Shopify, go to Online Store, open your live theme, then choose Actions Right Arrow Edit Code. In the Assets folder, click Add a new asset and upload each font file. Make sure file names are simple, lowercase, and without spaces. Once uploaded, note the exact file names because you'll reference them in CSS. Now you're set to define the font in your theme styles. You now create the font declaration so the browser knows how to load it. Open your theme CSS file, base, CSS, theme, CSS, or component, SCSS. Liquid, then add an font face block. Use Shopify Liquid for the source like src, URL, myfont. WAF2 asset URL format, WAF2, and include a fallback WAF. Declare font family, font weight, font style, and add font display. Swap so text remains readable while loading. Save changes and make sure you finish by applying the new font to elements. Edit your CSS selectors, body, H1, or site header to use font family, my font, and include fallbacks. Save and preview the theme in a private window. Clear browser cache and wait a few minutes for Shopify's CDN to update. If it doesn't show, open the browser console and network panel. Common fixes: wrong file name missing, WAF2, typos in asset URL, or font blocked by cores. Make that one correction, then reload and confirm the font renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.